Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Today we are going to log the data into the Google Sheet. Okay, so we are going to log the data, complete data inside the Google Sheet from Raspberry Pi using Google Cloud. Now we have to make some changes inside the main code. So here, since I have made it as an user authentication, I need some private. So that's sudo ideally 3 googlers.py. This is the code which we are going to work. So if I want to access it, means you have to go in this particular format only, that sudo method. Here we are importing data time. Now we are just going to upload only the random data, not random data, series data like 1, 2, 3, as well as with date and time of recording. So import data time, it is defaultly available in all the Python. Then gspread, auth to client, service account, import service account credentials. Then scope. So the scope, it is nothing but integrating the spreadsheets from Google and Google APIs to Drive. Okay, so these two things are required. Now the next thing is we have to add our account credentials into the JSON file. So JSON file we have to collect it. So click on this, send files, I think in downloads. I have master.json and it has been sent to the desktop. Okay, so finally it is completed, and here we can see that cut it. Now we have pasted master.json. Close it. Now we can call it in our coding. Along with this credential, the scope will be added in order to integrate with that cloud to check all the credentials, everything. So to match that, it is required. Now gspread into the creds. So this particular file only, everything will be there and authorization will be provided. Here we have to give the name of the sheet, and sheet 1, sheet 2, whatever we are providing, that we have to change it over there. Since I have only sheet 1, I am just going only for that. Then comes with the live demo. That is the name of my sheet, whichever I have created. Okay, live demo. Now here time equal to date time dot date time. Now the current date and time, it will be recording in the form of year, month, date, hours, minutes, seconds in float. So that particular data type only will be able to get as a string. So this data will be in float and it is taken as a string, and along with that we will be just multiplying with 80 in order to boost up that particular value, but it won't be printed anyway. Just to continue that, to make an appending data so that we can confirm the code is being continuously worked. So there is no such issues over here. Then values. So among the values here I have provided data equal to 1. Then comes with time. So first first column it goes with time, second column it goes with data. Print whatever the values it has been collected. So at the same time it will be printing everything. Sheet dot append underscore row. Inside the sheet itself, each and every row only will be updated. So what will be that updation means? The values only will be updated. Once it is updated means therefore Google Sheet updated. That will be the message we will be able to see. While data less than 10. So data is less than 10 means until that it will be working on. So client will be logged in towards the data. That's what client.login append underscore sheet data. So whatever we have provided, that data will be appended. And after each and every data appending, it will be increased +1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For each and every 10 rounds, this particular thing will be updated. So that means we can say it as 10 seconds also in that particular meaning. So till data 10 only here we will be able to upload. It takes around some time, at least a minute. So within less than 1 minute we will be able to collect those data. So I hope now everyone is ready to run the code. Now save the code and run this particular code, and let us wait till 10. Okay, so let us wait for some time. till everything is getting enabled. So this is the way to create that particular all that methods inside our platform. So since already I have a particular project, so now with that particular key I'm going to make it. Okay, so for that also I'm just going for the same process, trial, because whatever the ID now we have created, it takes some time. So that I'm going to use this particular ID now. Okay, trial.json, it is configured. Now the file name, live demo, everything is same. Hereby now we are going to upload a random data inside the empty Google Sheet. So here we have entered that particular Google Sheet like live demo. Now from this we are just going inside the Raspberry Pi. So we have our respective code where all the securities, permissions, everything has been enabled with the help of Google Cloud inside that particular API. Now what and all the data will be there means time, date, and along with the random data known as values. So it starts from 1. So hereby I have entered that time as well as data. Now upon to this complete things will be respectively entered inside the Google Sheet. So here I have entered that first one is time and the second one is data. So like that, if we keep on adding on it, the number of columns also will be added simultaneously. Hereby it takes some time in order to configure with the cloud. So it has started. So this will be the particular date and time, and this will be the data. So each and every 10 seconds the data will be updated. Now let us see. So here we can see our time with date, everything, and the data. And hereby I am stopping it. Now with the help of the same method, we can upload the DHT sensor value onto the Google Sheet. So hereby only small change has been done. Like onto this code, I have added the import adafruit_dht, the library file, and same way the name of that particular Google Sheet live demo, everything is same. There is no change in that. Hereby onto this values, I have gave the time, humidity, temperature. So into this variable only mostly we will be collecting all the data. So hereby we can see this variable. So that variable only here also I have called it. Now by providing this comma, it will be separating the columns automatically. So first let us assign our file. So hereby I am deleting everything and restructuring this. So first comes with humidity, then comes with temperature. So now let us run the module, and hereby we have to connect our sensor to the respective pins. So third one to the ground, then comes with the data pin, and therefore the power supply pin. All the pins are connected. Now once the cloud is getting interfaced, the data also will be uploaded. Now according to the room temperature and the humidity, 95 and 32 will be the data. Now let us visit our sheet. Simultaneously it is getting updated automatically. In this way only we will be interfacing the Raspberry Pi with Google Sheet. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.